What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be doing an oil change for the first time since I've bought the truck. It is now nearing its 3,000 miles and I decided to change it. Now is a good time now that we're entering the so-called winter season in Florida. We got our STP brand ready to rock and roll. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the old bolt right here that the truck originally had. I'm gonna keep it as usual, like I always say. I always keep all the old stuff that I take out of, well, all the OEM stuff that comes off any vehicles, like you guys know in my previous videos. And I bought this new bolt drain plug from Advance. So we're gonna do that, and if for whatever reason it leaks, we'll have the old one to replace it. And I'm not gonna lie, having a truck and not using a jack stand or anything like that to work under it is actually really nice, especially if it's lifted. I fit perfectly in here. Like, there's so much space in here to lift my head up and not hit myself. Just gotta make sure that I don't burn myself. But let's start cleaning this up. So it actually went and so it actually ended up going 3 whole socket sizes up. Instead of a 13, it's gonna be a 16 millimeter. I had to buy new sockets actually and a new breaker bar because I didn't have a 3/8 one, but I got them from Harbor Freight, and the sockets are 6.1s because the ones I had were the 12 point and they were rounding off my bolts, so I decided to go for 6 this time. And voila, just like that. So we're gonna move this because I do have baby cats and I don't want them falling in the oil. That would be very bad indeed. Alright guys, so pretty much the oil filter is tucked away in here where the Ziploc bag is. I can't really take you guys in there because I'm holding it with my phone. So yeah, it's just tucked in there. We're gonna take it out. You put a Ziploc bag just so when I start unscrewing it, the oil doesn't all just fall out on the floor and make a mess. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm not gonna show the process, just untying it and you should be good to go. Alright guys, so I took off the oil filter. As you can see, it's just a generic brand. Don't even know from where, maybe from the dealership. So I'll be using an STP filter. I'm not gonna say it's the best oil filter in the world, but that's the one I always used on all my vehicles so far, and it hasn't caused any problems. You got 5W20. And before I put it on, make sure guys that the gasket like this came off of the vehicle and didn't just stick on there, because there's many times that does stick on there, but I warmed up my engine and that always does the job. So with this, you want to just fill it up a little bit so you don't dry start your vehicle, and lube up the area right here like I'm about to show you guys. We got a pair of new gloves because we got super old up with that old one. Another thing you can do is probably add the mileage you changed it on or the date. But I'm gonna make a Google Sheets of this, so I don't need to worry about that. We're gonna get a little bit of oil. All right, guys. So the oil filter is all right. The oil filter is right there, as you can see. It's a lot harder to grab from up front, so you gotta go around the back and twist it. I tightened it with my hand, and then I half tightened it, half a turn with the pliers, and I think that's good enough. And that's pretty much it. So now to refill the oil. So for the oil change, we put it right in here, right there. So with that, we're gonna add 2 more smaller quarts and finish it off. And for next week's video, I'm thinking about detailing the interior here of the engine bay. It's a little dusty. Get a little shine to it and make sure everything's good for go. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe, and make sure to recycle your oil at a local auto store. AutoZone or Advance. Usually I go to AutoZone. So with that being said, most of you guys already seen these type of videos, but this is my first time, so I figured I'd record it for a video. So thanks for watching. You guys stayed till the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed.